Carolina Department of Revenue wants retired South Carolinians and those who are 65 and older to know about tax deductions and exemptions that the state offers to its older citizens. So back with us this morning, we have certified public accountant Angie Brazel to be joining us this morning. So let's go ahead and talk about the ages and those deductions depending on that here in our state.
Yeah, definitely. So South Carolina is very retiree friendly. So there are some benefits from a tax perspective. So the biggest one, and a lot of other states do this as well, but South Carolina does not tax Social Security. So, once you start drawing that, it can be taxed up to 85% on your 85% of the income taxed on your federal return. But then when you get over to the state side, it is a subtraction, so it's basically fully excluded from income. So once you start drawing retirement, whether you're 65 or not, as long as it's your own retirement, you can take a deduction of $3,000 against that retirement income. Once you turn 65, you're entitled to $15,000 deduction. It might be split different ways based on whether you have retirement income or not, but you get a total of $15,000. And again, that's per person. So married filing joint returns, you're going to end up getting $30,000 of deduction.
What about for military? I know we have a really big military community here.
Definitely,
what about for that?
We do. So again, South Carolina is trying to attract the military families who maybe served here at Fort Jackson or at Shaw or wherever, and they want them to come back and settle it down in South Carolina. So all retirement income from the military is tax exempt for South Carolina taxes. So maybe taxable for federal, but you get to back it off on the South Carolina side. And then also if you have National Guard retirement income, things like that, you can also take that off of your taxes.
Okay, a lot of good stuff there.
Yeah.
I like that. Last thing I want to ask you is, what is the homestead exemption? Now, this is a little bit different.
Yeah, right. So this is a little different because it's not income taxes, but it is a benefit if you are 65 or older and have lived in South Carolina for a full year. You can go to your local county's website and download a form. You might even be able to do it online, but you can apply for homestead exemption. And so that just makes it so that the first $50,000 of value of your home is tax exempt for property taxes. The rest would still be taxable, but $50,000 is tax exempt. So you can definitely lower your property tax bill as well.
Thank you so much, Angie, for stopping by with some great tips here for both the federal level and, of course, the state level. We definitely appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
Well, we have a lot of tips that we've thrown at you, so don't even worry. We're going to be putting all this information on our website, WLTX.com.